Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make sorbet with a blender. Start by selecting your favorite frozen fruit, about 2 cups worth. You'll also need a liquid, like 1/4 cup of water or fruit juice, and a sweetener such as 2 tablespoons of sugar or honey. Ensure your fruit is completely frozen for the best texture. This simple combination forms the foundation of a delicious, refreshing sorbet made right in your blender. Now, place your 2 cups of frozen fruit into your high-speed blender. Add the 1/4 cup of liquid and 2 tablespoons of sweetener. Begin blending on a low speed, gradually increasing it. If your blender has a tamper, use it to continuously push the ingredients down towards the blades, ensuring a consistently smooth mixture without adding too much extra liquid. Continue blending until your sorbet reaches a thick, soft serve consistency. It should be smooth and scoopable, not watery. Be careful not to overblend, as this can generate heat and melt your sorbet. If it's too thick, add a tiny bit more liquid, perhaps 1 teaspoon at a time. If it's too thin, incorporate a few more pieces of frozen fruit. Your delicious homemade sorbet is now ready to enjoy. For the freshest experience, serve it immediately. You can garnish it with a few fresh berries or a sprig of mint for an elegant touch. If you prefer a firmer texture or have leftovers, transfer the sorbet to an airtight container and freeze it for at least 30 minutes. It will keep well in the freezer for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.